My name is Mekala Rao. I am the founder of Atachi Systems. We are headquartered in Silicon Valley, San Jose, California. And we have a platform called as NGIMES, NGIMES, which stands for Next Generation Integrated Manufacturing Execution Systems. It's a complete platform for the Pharma 4.0, Industry 4.0 solution. It is fully integrated and it's very fast deploying solution built on SAP HANA technologies. Yeah, this is I think this is the first time Global PHT is putting together this kind of event, and it's very good, and hopefully you can bring in more audience going forward, and we are looking forward for a change in the country or pharma community or life sciences community to foster a relationship between innovators and investment investment agencies, and then industry participation or leaders, and then more research and all that, so that we can work towards a better cause or higher cause, which is improving the human lives and providing the best medicine quicker and faster, effectively. Digitalization of pharmaceutical industry is very, very important. We have not acted on it as a country much because of the dilemma. In the past, customers were aware of all the large companies supplying the software, and that software has been very expensive. It was costing about $1 million per factory, and Indian pharma was not ready to invest about $1 million per factory. Now, having considered that, we have brought the significantly cost-effective platform, and they should take advantage of it. And this is a need tomorrow, in case if you want to use tomorrow's technologies like artificial intelligence, big data, and all that stuff can be leveraged only if you have digitized your manufacturing operations. Today I talked about fostering the relationship between different parties involved in bringing the medicine or vaccines, right from the discovery all the way to the commercial manufacturing, and producing it without any compliance problems or quality problems, and then improving upon it, and faster to the market, effective medicine at affordable rate. So NGIMES helps you capturing all the information electronically, right from raw materials receiving to the weighing and dispensing, and then all the manufacturing processes, generates one consolidated, detailed electronic batch manufacturing record. That's what the FDA auditors look for, and then it generates a lot of real-time manufacturing insights, helps improving the data compliance, data integrity issues are taken care of, human errors are eliminated. So there's a lot of benefits, and typically, in a manufacturing plant where there is no digitization, you're generating a lot of paper for every batch. Sometimes in the biosimilars, you're generating about 1400, 1300 pages of records for one particular batch, and you have to store all that in the storage area for several years until the end of the life cycle of that product. So, and then few quality assurance managers need to review all that information, sign it off, and then whenever there's an audit, it's a stressful process. So digitizing everything eliminates all this human effort, is eliminated. You can put the human intelligence for a better use. Yeah, right now there is kind of misunderstanding in the industry, thinking that if they were to implement the EBMR, productivity will go down, and they are worried that the projects might fail. Any software or digitization project could fail if there is no proper participation of all the parties involved, right? So there needs to be a change in the culture. People need to adopt the platforms, get them trained well, understand the benefits. Then we are all in this together, so that it brings value to the company. So today we have been talking to several customers, several customers. Almost it's difficult to put a number, but at least 70-80% of the factories are not digitized. So we are still running on paper, very labor intensive paper compilation, reviewing, approval, and then FDA has been very busy with COVID, vaccines, COVID medications, or whatever the devices and all that. So that's why we don't have a lot of auditing going on. So otherwise, back in those days in 2016, we had several warning letters. Almost every major manufacturer has a warning letter. So in terms of digitization, we still need to take an aggressive step towards it, so that you can get benefit out of it. See, nowadays the younger generation, it is very difficult to aspire them to come into the pharmaceutical industry. It's not a fancy industry, but if you are really motivated to come into pharmaceutical industry or life sciences industry, that's a wonderful thing. But we need to educate them. Why is it important? How is it important saving human lives? It's a fascinating industry, in fact, but people don't realize, because you don't need the medicine until you hit like 60 years, 70 years and all that. So that's why the youngsters, they just don't find any interest in the industry. If they do find, that is good, but we need to work together in terms of how to make this industry more fascinating. Like people jump into the video games, right? Something like that, either publicity or the cinema industry, or you think of various ways how to engage the younger workforce to come into this industry, how to digitize the industry. That way a new level of energy is coming into the industry, a smart, talented individuals are coming to the industry. They are going to contribute at a totally different level. So the best combination is the younger workforce plus digitization. That is the one which is going to multiply the productivity of the country.